Hi guys, Autumn here, and I was just trying to do some type of contest. If you guys could actually make something for me, I will do anything for you. And I mean it. Anything. So, as I was saying, a little bit, I think I've ruined the video for Master Max, since I friended him on Skype, and he actually Skyped me on Monday. And this will be hard, but that did not happen. I'm so sorry for the people out there that wanted to watch that. I'm so sorry. So, what I was doing, well, this isn't really a contest, though. I tricked you! Okay. So, if you guys want to react with me, your face won't show up or anything. I'm so sorry about that, but you would actually be on my chest or something. Well, the phone will, or something. Just give me your number or something, and I'll pick one of you to FaceTime. Well, only FaceTime. Only FaceTime. So, anyways, I was saying, only iPhones can do FaceTime. Timing. Well, time. Ugh. So, if you have an iPhone or something, then use that to, to react with me. Well, I don't have my number, so not with a plan. So, as I was saying, put your number at the comments below, okay? And remember, subscribe, or no happy 2023. Okay. I was playing Roblox, but now I'm not. Wait, what's this? Let me see that. Okay, brightness, camera, brightness, whatever, and plan. Okay, webcam settings. Those are the webcam settings. Extra. Sorry, I'm just trying to do something. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying, and never mind, that's just technology and crap. Okay, what I was saying. Remember, if you have an iPhone, then put your number at the bottom below. And I will only pick one, just one. The first thing, I have to have a piece of paper and a pen. I'll have to pick one from a hat and get that number going. So, hopefully you put your number in the comments below. Just put a lot of them, so I can just pick only one. But if there's only one number, then no FaceTime. So, now, I was just renaming something, and I will see you guys later. Bye!